Mr. President, it's a pleasure to rise today to recognize the work of some remarkable Georgians, Ed and Mary Edel of Marietta, who happen to be in the gallery this morning. The Edels have worked together in their community to help touch the lives of our men and women in uniform. Guided by the Any Soldier Foundation, Ed and Mary send requested goods to our soldiers serving in Iraq, Afghanistan, Kazakhstan, Somalia, and Kosovo. Soldiers can go to www.anysoldier.com and request what specifically they need and want. Good people like the Edels are making sure that these soldiers' requests do not go unnoticed. Serving 4 years of active duty in the United States Navy and 22 years on reserve duty, Ed Edel undoubtedly knows what it means to sacrifice for his country. However, his loyalties to his fellow men and women in uniform did not end with his retirement. Together with his wife Mary and daughters Erin and Allison, the Edels committed themselves to being a support crew for those who are serving overseas today. For the Edels, many Saturdays over the past 2 years have been similar to last Saturday. The smell of pancakes usually welcomes 40 volunteers arriving at the Edels' house at Soak Creek Farm. After breakfast, the volunteers pick a soldier's request from the Any Soldier website, take it into the inventory room, and pack boxes with food, magazines, school supplies, clothing, toys, or Christmas decorations. They also include a handwritten letter of support to each individual soldier, thanking them for their service. Because of the Edels' community leadership and the help they have received from the other members of the Mount Bethel United Methodist Church in Marietta, volunteers have been able to collectively send 496 boxes weighing over 4 tons to service members in theaters around the globe. One of the most fulfilling parts of the experience for these volunteers is how the soldiers respond. There have been countless thank you and appreciation notes sent from the soldiers letting them know how great it is that people back home support them and acknowledge the sacrifices that they are making. It is unclear whether the motivation behind the Edels' generosity comes from Mary's history as a public servant in our school system, Ed's service to his country in the Navy as well as the Army Reserve, or if it is out of sheer gratitude for the nation in which they live. It is clear that the Edels' appreciation for the troops and their love of country has been contagious among civic organizations, school groups, church groups, businesses, and fellow members of their community. People like the Edels make this nation the greatest in the world. I'm proud to say that such patriotic Americans live in my home state of Georgia. Words cannot express America's gratitude for our armed forces and their service and sacrifice for this nation. As Veterans Day approaches, we should all remember to acknowledge those sacrifices, and I challenge all Americans to follow the lead of Mary and Ed Edel in finding a way to say thank you.
Junior Senator from Georgia.
Mr. President, I am honored to join Senator Chambliss of Georgia in paying tribute to Ed and Mary Edel, my neighbors, as a matter of fact, in East Cobb County, Marietta, Georgia. I live about 1.5 miles from their home, and my son and daughter-in-law attend Mount Bethel United Methodist Church, where they are active members. A great church with a great minister, Randy Michler, who does such a good job to inspire his congregation to do so many good things. And Ed and Mary do a tremendous service to our men and women in harm's way. And I add my praise of them to the praise of Senator Chambliss. I thank them for the example that they set and the blessing that they are to our soldiers.